Welcome to Da Nang. Well, look who showed up. Summer. Now it's official. This is gonna be the last time I'm gonna do this is the weather today update. Tomorrow we're gonna go and explore some new neighborhoods. But today, this is how it looks now. I think this is how it's gonna stay for the next few months. It's gonna be perfect summer. Hey, how you doing, man? You too. The only thing what's not so good is the exchange for the euro. The dollar's pretty strong, actually. Still the same, but the euro is a little bit weaker compared to the Vietnamese dong. So always keep an eye on that too. But it's definitely way better than when I came here the first time. I think when I came in the first time, one euro was 26,000 dong, and now it's 30. And it was the last 6 months it was 31,000. So very good. But the euro was strong all the time. So the last few months. Now it's a little bit weaker. I think this is also hello. You also do. Now you have two shops, huh? Okay. So you can also exchange money here?
Yes.
Okay. And wood. All right. Bye. Thank you so much. See ya. That's the sister, the wood sister. So there's also my wood guy, where I always go. Very nice guy. And I should wear the bracelet he gave me one time. But so my wood guy also has a sister. That's his sister. And the sister has now also a shop. Very nice, especially here, right opposite of the Chevy bar. If you're running out of dongs, you can go and get more exchanged. But let's check out the beach, guys. Let's check out the beach. It is blue sky. This is what we want to have. The only thing is, the beach is probably not that calm yet, but over the next few days it will probably be. There's no more rain, no more bad weather. The ocean should calm down, but we will find out. We'll find out in a minute, guys. On the way, it already looks way better, but it always takes a few days to stabilize, and then as soon as the water is calmed down, then the color of the ocean will be this nice light green and sometimes even light blue. It really depends on the sun, how it come up to the ocean. But it's not the case at the moment. It's still very rough, guys. And it is still windy. So it is 28 degrees Celsius, but there's a nice breeze going on. Sadly, it's not that good to go to the water yet, so you gotta wait for that a little bit more. I think over the next week it will be. I will also check out Hoi An soon. Gonna go there and I'll make a walking tour there too. Might as well show you how Hoi An looks like at the moment. Alright, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo. Actually, I see people in the water. So maybe it is. There are a lot of people in the water, guys. Lots of people in the water. I think it is good. Let's have a look. Lots of people in the water and on the beach here everywhere. And check this out. The new beach club or whatever it is will be done very soon, guys. Looks good. But yeah, it's crazy. Last year it was not that many people at this time of the day. But also now, of course, what do I always say? Revenge beaching, guys. Whenever it is a week of rain and then it is the first sunny day, everyone is on the beach. then 20 to 30% have sunburn, and then they will not be in the sun all the time. Because believe me guys, even though it's not that hot at the moment and there's a nice breeze, if you're in the sun you can get burned very quick and very bad. So be careful, avoid the main hours, the noon time. Look at this. This is gonna be so amazing guys. I'm so excited. But what do you think? Will it be from the holiday beach? Probably. Then this new project here, also very nice. I'm excited. So here, because of all those high rises, like now, let me check what time it is. It's 3:18, 3 p.m. At this time of the day, the sun is already on the other side and the high rises give you nice shade, okay? So if you wanna have sun, you gotta go a little bit further or in between those high rises, and then you can have sun. Or you can sunbathe. But yeah, stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe already, because this here will be done very soon and I will give you an update as soon as it's done. Oh, now I can also do some nice walks again everywhere. At the moment it was so dangerous to go somewhere. Then, like yesterday, I walked the whole way to sunshine. I wanted to do a long video all around, and then it started raining. And I had to take a grab back. Crazy. But it is what it is. Now it's perfect again. Now we're gonna go on very nice Da Nang walking trips, walking tours. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Lots of people here. But this is also the place, one of the places you can rent out lockers. So there are lockers. The last time I asked, it was 40,000 dong for per day. You can rent a locker. You lock out your valuables there, and you can go in the water, especially if you're alone. You want to go in the water with your partner or something. Oh, pretty packed here too. But this is revenge beaching, guys. This is always the same. And now, around this time, it swaps. It's even more because lots of people. Oh wow, this is a lot. Lots of. Oh, you know what? I understand now. They are not. The beach at the Maya is very slim and small at the moment, and that's why there's not that much beach space at the moment. I will show you. So before, you were able to be on the beach all the way on the left. Now everyone has to go on this small little strip. And there was a huge party here going on, but I should have made a video about that. Crazy. Check this out, guys. The beach part is getting closer, that something is coming back, but it's still not as it was the year before. Like here, there's so much space missing, and that's why wherever there is beach, like here, there are a lot of people in there. I had a very funny call with my best friend in Germany. He's gonna come. So he's not sold on Da Nang at all. Last time he was in Da Nang was March 2023, 2 years ago, exactly 2 years ago, and in March, right? Low season still, but yeah. So, and he thought like, it is so boring here because there was no one here, and I'm like, bro, it's not the same anymore. There's so many people here now, and I said, there are even Latinas here now. And he was like, Latinas? And I was like, yeah, bro, you gotta come. And now he's sold. Now I have to find them, the Latinas. But I think there are Latinas here, somewhere. So bro only likes Latinas. No, he is a typical Thailand guy. He loves to go to Thailand all the time. And I mean, he also enjoyed the time when he visited me in Mexico, but he's Thailand. And I'm wondering how he's gonna like it this time. because it's clearly not as slow and no people here than before. And I think there are so many more young people here right now. Compared to 2 years ago, if I look at the young people all around the world here, it's probably 20x. Just like young people come here having parties and things like that. I can see it. So many digital nomads everywhere. It's not the small percentage anymore. It's like the big percentage. Before, I gotta say, it was very boring though. I always said that. But now I think if you're young, single, and you want to go out, I think you can have a party. But I'm not sure where, because I'm an old married man, so I have no idea. I have to do some research. Of course, I have to do some research for my brother. I have to find out where the parties are going and where are the Latinas. I'm gonna be on a search for the Latinas just for my brother, of course. I gotta tell my wife that too. She should also look out for them. I think she also already knows them. Yeah, it looks good, guys. It's busy. There's life here. The life is here, guys. I'm wondering how the nightlife is. I'm really wondering how the nightlife is now in Da Nang. I'm still asking myself, where are all people gonna go? This clubbing wise, it's boring. It's like, it's built for Korean and Japanese people. It's nothing like a good old European or South American party or something like that. It's pretty lame. Now, there has to be somewhere a place for everyone to go. Just still have to find out, guys. Do you know? Maybe you can comment below. Where are all the people? Where are the young kids going out at night? I don't know. I really don't know. Look at this. And this beach part is completely empty. It's so weird. But I guess it's a little bit too cold now. But this beach part will be very full whenever it is gonna be too hot. Because in the next few months, it's gonna go from perfect weather at some point to, bro, it's too hot. So you will be automatically in the shade, and then it's perfect. It's like very nice to be, if it's super hot and you have this shade here, perfect. You just go a little bit in the sun, maybe only in the sun when you go in the water. Very nice. Volleyball for everyone now. Lots of people out there. This is crazy. I feel like this might be for Western tourists the main season now, even though I still think July will be the peak season because of domestic tourism. But we will find out. It's going to be a very interesting year for Da Nang. Very interesting. I will definitely go check out some hotels. And maybe I'm going to do a 2026 best hotels. Or maybe you have an idea what videos I should do on my main channel. Let me know in the comments below. What does a cheeseburger cost here? 99,000 dong. $4 for a cheeseburger on the beach. That's good. It's always full here, guys. And I can see the Lady Buddha statue very good. So it's a very good sign, guys. I'm wondering how it is in the morning right now. It's already good because sometimes in the morning it's a little bit cloudy or hazy, but then during the day it's getting better. But I'm definitely gonna do more walking tours in the morning, especially in the high heat. I think one more week, and if it's nice and calm, the ocean should be perfect. Hi, Servus. I don't know if, you know, it is so difficult for me. Sometimes people on the way they say semi. I have to know now if it's German semi or English semi. Semi, what is it? This is very difficult for me now. Now I don't know how to greet. Maybe I have to find a middle ground. Sometimes if it sounds German and they look German, I say Servus. You know, that's like a South German or Austrian way to say hello. Maybe I should have it more standardized. So maybe he was an Aussie guy. Who knows? I need to find a way. Now you know what? Screw it. We're gonna say only Grüß Gott now, okay? This is the German word for the day. When you see me and you just say Grüß Gott, okay? Grüß Gott. That's like greetings to God in a good Bavarian manner. That's what my grandparents taught me when I was a child. When you walk through the village in Germany, in South Germany, in Bavaria, you gotta say always Grüß Gott to the people who are older than you. You greet first when you're younger. You say Grüß Gott. It's a very important thing. Then you're on the safe side, guys. Grüß Gott. It looks very nice today here. The sun comes on the left side here. It's like, and there's a wind coming from the front. This is like the perfect temperature. Still, be careful, guys. Don't be in the sun too long. But it is perfect. You don't feel hot, you don't feel cold. It's like the perfect mix. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know you're watching on the TV, go up and like. And check out this video, see you on the next walk. And God bless you.